Welcome back to part 3 of this series. I realized that once the video to the last part ended, that part was the little section where I put the mooshroom cows was never ready for mooshroom cows. I just configured it, fixed it, so now it definitely should be. So now I'm going back to get more mushroom cows because well, they're all dead, to say the least. Yeah. Oh yeah, so this is what it now looks like. I had to set up another tank, and so now this is filled with mushroom soup. Cool. So I can just do cows to get the regular milk, which I'm fine with. But now, wait, hold on, I gotta go back. Get these nets. Oh, there they are. I thought they all despawned for a second. I was like, no! They all despawned. This used to be an old house that I built 3 years ago, but not anymore. I blew it up with a rocket launcher, actually. Just like that, eh? Cool. I'm gonna go get more. I'm gonna go get a whole bunch of them. Okay, what nuke went off? Because they're all, oh, right here, I assume. Yeah, okay. Right, that makes sense. No, there's gotta be some more. Oh, look at all these. Oh, there's so many. There's so damn many. Oh, wow. More. One more, 7 more. I think that's about it. Well, that's I think 7 more is good enough. So let's go get 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I only have 6. Well, 6 more then. Whatever. That's good. So that'll give me mushroom stew. Mushroom soup. Wow, 84,000 millibuckets. 86,000. 88. 89. 90,000. And this one is filled with mob essence. Now, mob essence can be used to spawn mobs. I got a mob spawner over here, which I'll show you. This thing is it. Inside. Shit. Yeah, but inside is. Hold on. Let me. But this is the inside. So each different kinds of mob, a different mob will spawn here, 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 and there, and then they'll be pushed into the center where my grinders lay, and then I get their drops transported to the mob drop tower, which I'll show you right now. Oh, hey, carrots. Yeah, this is where they all go. Carrots, potatoes, carrots, potatoes, carrots. Shit. This other obsidian box that I made was the old mob spawner, but I decided to move it over there. There's nothing in this chest. Wow, shit. Wow. This is gonna fill up fast. Jesus! Mushroom stew for fucking days, man. Yeah. Alright, so now I need to make sure that they all getting their wheat. Getting their wheat, I mean. You saw nothing. Yes, I do use too many items because if I remove it, the game will crash. Well, the game won't work. So I'm stuck with TMI. Unfortunately, I wish I could have used JEI or NEI, but TMI is fine. Yeah. 26 pages of 26 pages. Let's see here. All these seeds come from one of the wheat farms. Oh yes. I remember. 11. Six, 7, 9. You know what? I'm gonna route it to the regular one. Route it from the regular one, the main one. This is the main farm. It's giant. Where the hell did my tesseract go? Oh, oh yes, I remember. Fucking seeds. Nope. Oops.